So, a bit of a different start and a different video today. We've been invited to a dyno day by Motion Autoworks, which is a friend of ours. And he was like, oh, why don't you bring a Civic along? So we've actually got the coupe out for once. But it's very scary driving.
Yeah, it's very scary driving.
So the hydros don't have no suspension really, do they?
No, it just hops, doesn't it?
Yeah. Because we're on wide wheels with big cam, it just follows the ruts in the road.
Just crabs along the road, doesn't it?
Yeah. So yeah, gonna get a few clips today of cars on the dyno and then
Nice little day out.
yeah, it'd be nice to get the Civic out and for a change.
Big Kev's not here.
Big Kev's had to do some errands, hasn't he? So it's just me and Kieran today. Yeah. Well, we'll see you when we get there.
I'm in my G'd up zone. I'm about to get it in, kick your feet up home. Days turn to weeks when you're always on the grind all night. I got my re-up back. I'm about to get it in, I'll be right back.
Nate, high low to those who don't know the name. And G'd up, yup, that's the only thing I claim. Learn life from the crooks, ain't amazed by the fame. You'll get book rap, hope you a student of the game. Get hit with that German, listen, we don't speak the same. BMW into a Goldie, at that foreign get exchanged. Put some kilos in the chain of how a kilo got exchanged. Ask Charlie, I'm the Willy Wonka, Rick James. Pistol on my hip and I go a Lil Wayne. As John, if you niggas like, see my aim. I was folding that money like paper planes. Now this shit don't fold, it's like bricks being laid. Cool as a 20-degree day up in the shade. Smoking that real love if you searching for that Mary J. Of course you enjoying the serenade. I'm a G, I'ma turn lemons into lemonade.
Fine, blowing fine, sipping wine all day. I'm in my G'd up zone. I'm about to get it in, kick your feet up home. Days turn to weeks when you're always on the grind all night. I got my re-up back. I'm about to get it in, I'll be right back. Life is hard, turn the music up. I can nap when I die, homie, sleep for what? I be going in till I win, gotta keep it up. I'm in a class of my own without a teacher, bruh. Thrown on that house, way on the stage. Still hitting home runs, though they pitching underhand. Warmer than a cup of cocoa with a summer camp. By a bonfire, that boy on fire. More fire, only you assassinate. You cutting up, dog, damn boy, you lacerated. You cutting up, dog, damn, you decapitated. My style sexy like I'm masturbating. Got me feeling myself, I'm always on it though. They salty like bologna though. Women say your name is so cute, they call you Thonio. Grind all night, hardly sleep in the day. Chicks be like the studio, always keep him awake. I'm in my G'd up zone. I'm about to get it in, kick your feet up home. Days turn to weeks when you're always on the grind all night. I got my re-up back. I'm about to get it in, I'll be right back.
So, as you've just seen by the clips, we went to Jordan's for the day. Yeah. It was a nice day out. Big thanks to the boys who put it on. Civic
made it there and back.
It did, yeah. Which we was worried about because that's the second out and it's had.
Give it a good test run though.
Yeah, they tried faultlessly, didn't it? Realistically, she's a good girl. So yeah, now all back in the workshop, tucked up, ready to go home. Yeah, and then on Wednesday we'll be going to a track day with the EP3, which we changed the studs on.
Last night.
Yeah, it was last night, wasn't it? Yeah. So we changed the front studs on the EP3, ready for the track day on Wednesday. So you'll be seeing that now, I'm assuming. So bye-bye. track day went well, didn't it?
Yeah. It's fun.
Okay. It was good. Car ran faultlessly. Got a little bit hot towards the end of the day.
We did have about 8 hours straight of caning though, didn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it was a beauty as well. So, but yeah, couldn't go wrong with it, to be honest with you. You're gonna have ginger hairs all over it, though.
Gives it that glow, doesn't it?
True, yeah.
Can't move.
White and orange. Sexy. It was a bloody good day. Dropped out of VTEC a few times, didn't it?
Yeah, I come off one of the top corners, come down the hill, flat out, and it just hit me up against the fucking dashboard.
Yeah.
But
Can't drive.
It just lost VTEC.
So I think the next thing to do on that car is a baffle sump.
Don't get the wrong idea, will you?
What are you doing there, Buff?
Yeah, you know.
So yeah, other than that, it was a good day.
day, yeah.
It was a really good day. Weather was alright. It only rained at lunchtime, didn't it?
Yeah.
And then come back and then come back and it was alright. So we're now back in the workshop. Kev come up yesterday morning, painted the transit and primer. Thanks, Kevin. Look, as you can see, we're back in the transit. We're back in the workshop.
Yeah, on the transit.
On the transit. Kev come up yesterday, painted it in primer. We wet sanded it last night. So now we're just masking up Kev's just masking up the bed now. Gonna tack cloth it, give it a wipe over, and then hopefully spray some white and get that done. So, yeah. Let's get cracking. You look like you've done this before.
I have. I don't like doing it.
What?
It's tedious, isn't it? Like when I don't want to the wet sand in the Civic was enough, and we had to wet sand this last night.
Yeah. Have we got a
I like painting. I don't like the prep work that's involved.
wet sand
Yeah.
3-stage cut and polish this as well?
He wants it wet sand, doesn't he?
Oh.
But it's just for transit, he says.
Yeah.
Wait,
She's no show pony.
Kev. Filing cabinet here, this filing cabinet, you twonk. That's a new one, isn't it? Twonk.
Big belly. Wash. Get on.
In a little
very
white,
front.
that's it,
They're
look,
the
you
ones.
found them.
Hey, one for you. Yeah, I think we've already done this time.
I have.
Where can you want all this on?
What?
How many do you need?
So I'm not doing the whole van.
Huh?
Looks like a Pop-Tart, Kev. Don't eat it.
Nearer there.
Go that way, I'm doing shit. You walk with fuck off. Go away. Go away! You fucking awkward.
My guitar is the only friend that gives a damn. Running on the borderline, southbound on a riverboat to Baton Rouge. Hellbound like a ramble with them Cajun blues, rolling down the waterline.
So, as you can see behind us, the transit is white.
White.
Yeah.
Back to its original colours.
Exactly. It's the first coat. We're gonna let this flash off because we just got to go over a few little bits, and then leave it to dry. There's a couple of little runs we need to nib out, and then next week we're going to give it another coat, flat it, polish it, and all that shit going on. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed this episode. Join us back next week if we can, where we'll be carrying on with the Transit. Cheers, bye bye.